Engine sputtering explained. When your engine is sputtering, you can typically tell right away. It could be backfiring, or it could simply sound and feel like it's not operating at regular power. An engine that is sputtering is not attaining complete combustion. It could be a signal of a very minor issue or an even more serious engine, fuel, or exhaust system problem. This is for those who don't know what a sputtering engine means. When an engine is sputtering, it means it is operating in irregular bursts, which causes a choppy or jerky running condition. It might be characterized as a series of unsteady, hesitant, or abrasive engine noises and vibrations. So, let's learn about the engine sputtering. Low on gas. The most frequent cause of an engine sputtering is running out of gas. Lack of fuel will cause the engine to struggle, and finally, the automobile won't start at all. The first thing you should do if your engine is sputtering is to check your fuel gauge. It's unlikely that you're out of gas if the fuel gauge still indicates that there is gas in the tank, unless the fuel gauge is malfunctioning. Leak in the exhaust. The exhaust system of the car has a big influence on how well the engine runs. The toxic exhaust gases will typically flow back into the engine if you have an exhaust leak, which will result in serious issues. Unclean fuel injectors. The combustion chambers of the engine receive a continuous stream of gas thanks to the fuel injectors. The fuel won't flow consistently if the fuel injectors are dirty or clogged, which will cause the engine to splutter. Fuel filter issue. Fuel filters degrade over time because they eventually become full of all the debris and impurities that they are removing from the fuel that is used in engines. You might only need to replace your gasoline filter if your engine starts to splutter. Ineffective spark plugs. Your spark plugs deliver the sparks necessary to start the burning of the gasoline. If one or more of them aren't functioning properly, the engine won't obtain proper combustion and will splutter and pop as it loses power. Faulty catalytic converter. The catalytic converter is an essential component of your car's emission system since it burns off the most hazardous substances found in exhaust fumes. A faulty catalytic converter will eventually result in more serious engine problems. Ineffective oxygen sensors. The exhaust system also depends on the oxygen sensors. The performance of the exhaust system and the engine as a whole will be significantly impacted if an exhaust sensor malfunctions or provides inaccurate readings to the car's computer. Vacuum pressure loss. The vacuum hoses in every car provide the fuel pressure. You will experience severe fuel pressure loss if one of them leaks or sustains damage in any way. Poor gaskets or seals. The fuel system, exhaust system, transmission, cooling system, and engine all contain numerous gaskets and seals. Engine performance issues will occur if one of these seals gets weak or worn. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.